Hello, I am Melissa Lunardon. I am the creative director of ML Interior Design, and we are a boutique interior design studio based in Melbourne, and we help homeowners who are renovating or building their brand new dream home and want to ensure that their interiors match the beautiful architecture of their gorgeous home. We can help you select all materials and finishes, things from bench tops, cabinets, tiles and tapware. We can help you create a beautiful home. We can also help with furniture selections, art, lighting and rug selections as well. When you are renovating or building a brand new home, it's important to ensure that all these beautiful selections, such as the bench tops and cabinets, are selected prior to construction. This means that we can work with your builder, we can work with your architect to ensure you have a smooth and seamless construction process. Having all of these selections confirmed prior to construction means that there is less likely for any variations, less headaches, and ensures that budgets are kept to where they're meant to be. We work with many homeowners all throughout Melbourne, and if you are interested in working with us, I highly recommend you book in for a complimentary design call. We can chat about your project, understand your style, and maybe you may not be aware of what your style or what you think will suit your home. We can work together to ensure that we bring the best out of your beautiful home. So not only does it look beautiful and timeless, but it also reflects your style, your personality, and the family that lives there. Click on the link below to book in for a complimentary design call, and I cannot wait to hear from you soon. See ya.